and welcome to another episode of 5 Minutes with Freed. I'm your host, Michael Freed. I'm a litigation partner in the matrimonial and family law firm of Berkman, Botker, Newman, and Shine, with offices in New York City and Westchester. Today, my special guest is Steve LaMagna, a litigation partner in the firm of Martello and LaMagna PC in Garden City. Stephen, welcome to 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you, Michael. Pleasure to be here.
So, Stephen, what do you do at Martello and LaMagna?
So I'm a founding partner here. We've been in practice since 1992. We are a litigation firm. We specialize in criminal defense is primarily what I do, and my partner, the other founding partner, handles all plaintiffs' personal injury negligence cases.
So you're aware that I'm a matrimonial and family law attorney. When would my clients most likely need your services?
All the time. Now, as a matrimonial attorney, you know that divorce usually brings out the worst in people. And many times in your cases, you see that. So whether it's orders of protection, violations of orders of protection, during the course of a matrimonial litigation, there may be issues, financial issues coming up about malfeasance. If one spouse owns a business and certain things come up about the propriety of how that person was running their business, there could be criminal referrals to that, assault, stalking, all sorts of things. You're a primary person that we look to, matrimonial attorneys, for our referrals.
And same here on the criminal end, because I don't step foot in a criminal courthouse. Not going to happen. So, Steve, I'm sure being a criminal attorney, you must have some great stories. Do you have any good war stories for us?
Sure, we have a lot over the years. I've been involved in quite a few high-profile cases, and I know prior to taping, you asked if, what case in particular would be interesting to discuss. And on Long Island, there was a very big case that I handled about 8 years ago concerning a DWI murder case. My client was just graduated college from Arkansas. He moved up to New York. He was in the financial services industry. He was at a party on Long Island. He got intoxicated and was trying to drive back home. He ended up driving the wrong way on the Meadowbrook Parkway. And as a result of that, he crashed head on to a limousine coming back from a wedding, and not only tragically killed the driver of the limousine, but tragically, if I say tragically, I mean tragically, killed the flower girl of that wedding. That case became such a important case from a societal perspective, because now we're looking at, these DWIs as murder cases rather than accident cases. And it kind of changed the way we view those type of cases.
So, Steve, what's the best way for a prospective client or another professional to contact you?
Either call directly. I'm always available as a criminal defense attorney. I'm available 24/7. As Bill Parcells used to say with the New York Giants, nothing good happens after 2 a.m. So fortunately for my clients, I'm available after 2 a.m. So you can call me directly or through email.
Okay, and what's your email address?
slamagna@mlfirm.net.
Okay, now we come to the most important part of the show, and I'm actually going to look at my notes because I want to make sure I ask this correctly. Steve, you invented a time machine that allows you to go back in time. What period of time would you travel back and why?
So I'm not going to go back too far, but I will go back to the roaring 20s, pre-stock market crash. I I think that was a very cool time to be living. The Great Gatsby, all the parties and things. I think that would have been a cool time to live. Of course, pre-market crash.
Of course.
That would be my time.
Around 1926, 27, right?
Sure.
Okay.
Yeah, that would be cool.
Steve LaMagna, you've said it all. You are the criminal defense attorney to the stars. And if anybody gets into hot water, has a problem, Steve is your man. Certainly go talk to him. And Steve, I want to thank you for being a guest on 5 Minutes with Freed.
Thank you for having me.